Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem best time to buy and sell stock. So say you have an array of for which the ith element is the price of the given stock on day I. If you were only permitted to complete at most one transaction, that is buy one and sell one share of the stock. Design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. Note that you can't sell a stock before you buy one. So we have to buy first and then sell the stock, and we have to gain the maximum profit in this process, and we are allowed to do at most one transaction. So this is example 1. So let's understand over here. If we buy at this price 7, and if we see in our array, so one of the brute force approach solution is just start loop over 2 for loop. One start from I equals to 0 and go the total number of stock till n minus 1, and then start another nested for loop j from the I plus 1. So try all the right side stock like as a selling day. So consider the ith day stock as a say buy price and the other jth as a selling day, and try to get the maximum and keep a maximum variable, max profit basically, let's say MXP. So every time we will update max profit with the differences of price of j, which is let's say Pj and minus Pi, and take the maximum with the current max P. So we will do this, but this solution will be O of n square. As you see, we are doing two nested for loop. So how we will solve, like optimize this further? So if you see, we need a maximum after the minimum. So for all, if we draw this, let's say some just a graph, so 7 point will here, then 1 will be here, 5 somewhere here, 3 somewhere here, and 6 somewhere here, and the 4 will be here. So this is the all the point I draw it just randomly: 7, 1, 5, 3, and the 6 and the 4. So if we see, this is our minimum point where we can buy, and this is the maximum after our minimum 6 where we can sell. So if we see, the difference is 6 minus 1, which is the maximum possible profit we can earn by doing one transaction. So how we will solve this problem? So first of all, we will here start from here and keep a one minimum so far, like keep a one variable every time minimum, which will be track the minimum stock price, and that we will start from the infinity, basically integer in maximum value, and then compare with this and try to get the maximum profit. And the profit at the ith index is the price of I, price at I, and the minimum stock price that time, the minimum stock price. Then we will update using this earned by bit, we will update our maximum profit, and we will do update our minimum stock price as well on the ith day if it is the next stock price is minimum than the current one. So this is how we will keep do it and get the answer. So first we can implement this recursively. So for the recursively, this will be just we will return, let's say recursive method, let's say helper method, and we will pass the prices here and index initialize from the 0, and the max initially minimum stock price is like integer dot max value, and the maximum profit initially is from the 0. So here so this will be index, we are iterating from the 0 to go end of the array, and this is let it call min stock price and the max profit so far we are gaining. So if we reach the end of the array, basically prices dot length, then we just return here the maximum profit we did. So this is the maximum profit. Otherwise we will update maximum profit with the current maximum profit plus the new profit we are gaining. So the new profit is price sys at I minus the minimum stock price before this, which is min stock price, and then we will also update our min stock price, so which will be min of current min stock price or the current price of I, and then we will return again and update the index, and this will become same and the max profit. So this is how we will try all the possible combinations. Let's compile our code and see if it is compiling, and I have created some test cases. So this is some invalid method signature. Here we missed the very important method signature, which is return type. So let's see, still there is a, oh, it's a prices of I, not price of I. So it's here. Let's run it again and see. So this is how it's compiled, and we are getting, let's submit this code, and it is accepted. So the what is the time complexity? So if you see, this I will go from 0 to length of the array, so which is, let's say, n. So the time complexity of this solution is O of n. So we can also convert this recursive code into the iterative code. So just take this out of the picture, these variables, we will remove this, guys. So for iterative, we will loop over in a for loop for int I is equal to 0, I equals to 0, I less than prices dot length, and I plus plus, and this we can do here, this we can return the max profit we earn here. So we'll define the max profit from the 0, and also min stock price from the integer dot max value. So this is how we will do update every time max profit and min stock price. So this, so that's it. So let's compile the iterative version, and it is compiling and we are getting correct answer. So let's submit this. So it is accepted. So the time complexity of iterative version also O of n, and the space complexity is O of 1, because we are using just two variables. So if you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.